free. It runs under the GPL license. To install the KNIME Analytics platform, open a web browser and go to the KNIME website www.knime.org. Click Download Now. Here, give us a few information about yourself. We promise we will contact you only for important updates about the KNIME Analytics platform. Yes, please send me the introductory emails to help me start with KNIME, and then submit and download. Here, select the section for your operating system: Windows, Linux, and Mac. We are working on Windows, so let's focus on the Windows part. Then, we have to select whether we want to install the basic package without extensions or the full package with all free extensions included. Let's install the whole package with all free extensions included. Now we have to choose if we want to proceed with the installation using the installer or using a self-extracting archive or using the zip archive. Let's choose for the installer, so the installer on Windows, full package with all free extensions, and then a 64-bit version for our machine. This link takes you to the terms and conditions text. You can read it, and then after you finish reading it, you can accept it. And then you can start the download. The download is going to take a bit of time because we have chosen to install the whole analytics platform plus all the free extensions, so it's a big package to download. After download is complete, go to your installer file, the one that you have downloaded, start it. Now you need to follow the steps of the installer wizard. The first step is to accept the license agreement. Here you can read it and then accept it. You can create a desktop shortcut. You can associate a few extensions to KNIME and the KNIME protocol to KNIME. I would advise that. Here you can reserve some memory for KNIME when it's running. And that's a summary of what you have checked during installation. Installation is going to take a while because we have decided to install the whole package, including all the free extensions. So that's quite a big package. When the installation is completed, we can decide to launch the KNIME Analytics platform. So let's finish now. You need to provide a workspace. A workspace is a folder on your machine where you can save all the work that you do with the KNIME Analytics platform. So we selected this workspace. You can choose another one if you want to. Okay. The first time you use KNIME, you're going to be asked if you want to help us improve the KNIME Analytics platform by sending us anonymous usage data. This data is completely anonymous and it's only about the usage of the KNIME Analytics platform. So if you want to, click yes. And this is the KNIME Analytics platform. Now you are ready to build data analytics workflow with KNIME.